It's countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It's says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people faces. No matter how them a go on like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
This is what makes me. This is what I am. Pure beat. But I won't stop now. Cause I can't stop now. Brave heart. You can hate me now. Come on.
My wonderful friends, it's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Now, me will talk about one of Canada's most dangerous and deadliest notorious blood clot informer, a bottom feeder who me reinvent him name. Because you see that pussy him go by the name Juice when he lived there Canada. And him used to go around Horton Park, Flemington Park, you understand? He mostly based in a Scarborough. You see that pussy now, him now use the name Juice no more, you know. Him a use the name Sean Perra. You can go up on him Facebook page. You understand? But you see that pussy he reinvent his name and call him RAT FINK. You understand? Remember that name you know? RAT FINK, aka Juice, one of the most notorious blood clot informer will come out of Jamaica and they are foreign and end up get deported. Juice take down enough money now from Horton Park, come all the way back down to Flemington Park, probably all in the West End, in a Gina Finch. Everybody know Juice. We are going to talk about a big blood clot informer who destroyed people lives. You understand? Let's go. Now, look on that picture there. And the real Juice that you know. Sean Peter Gale Perra. You see that youth here? A long time me attract the pussy a career, you know. And the youth here now, him back in the days, that boy didn't know how to hustle. Because of that, enough man did trust him, you understand? And enough man were out there do certain things, might say, yo, pussy, you want something, try a thing, you understand? Now, there was rumor flying around, you know. But some people never believe it, you understand? And him help the police take down, we know at least over 50 man throughout Toronto and maybe beyond. Now, me I tell the man them at Jamaica, you understand? If the pussy they run uno and police are come check uno and a search uno for gun and a talk about certain things, more likely a rat think I do it because I saw him stay. You see him, the only person where him loyal to himself and him will do anything, me I tell you, to take out himself out of the things that we do. Now, there's one particular case with a pussy where we know him work with the police them. And him work with the police from Toronto. The police is actually a RCMP by the name of Bennett. You understand? Wayne Bennett. Yo, RAT FINK work with the RCMP drug division. And you know, let me explain to you what the RCMP is. You see, in America you have FBI. Well, in Canada, the RCMP is the FBI. So not only was he an informant, he was an informant at the highest level with the RCMP. Now, like I said, I know one particular case where him work with the police, and I'm going to talk a little bit about that. Now, I know of a particular case where the pussy bottom feeder, RAT FINK, set up the man. Now, there was this youth, the youth are Jamaican, the youth, brilliant, the youth was an engineer at Ontario Hydro. When I see the picture up there, so the man was an engineer. You understand? Bright boy. Now, for somehow, the youth here, Hydro one, the man have certain links. Because the man they did have big business and enough things. You understand? And it makes certain flex. You understand? But low on the whole, for some kind of way, the youth from Hydro one was the engineer. The man take heed to the boy bottom feeder star and like the youth. So the youth, cause the youth in a certain little things and him always in a problem, but it's like the man from Hydro one now really suspect him. Cause like I said, them man they a big engineer and I do them thing and have them business and have them links and certain thing. So the man goes so boom and put him on to a little link where he can get some food. Figure, take care of him family, because I think him say him did have a daughter them time there. Them time they now, back in the days, the boy RAT FINK, he mostly run a place named Horton Park. It's Horton Park and Lawrence. Right there in the middle of fucking Scarborough. And you have a group of buildings. You understand? You have on the right Horton Park. Down some more you have Susan Plaza. You understand? In between there so you have Markham and Eglinton and other places. But certain places no go. Cause you see Markham and Eglinton, him couldn't go blood clot Markham and Eglinton. Them man they will kill him. You understand? Now, the youth from Hydro one give the pussy hole a break pan a link. You understand? And did you know that RAT FINK bring a black RCMP drug police to the youth, the engineer youth star Hydro one? The police name Bennett. I think his name was Wayne Bennett. This was in the news in Toronto, Canada, back in 1994-95. You understand? They went to the Hydro plant and arrested Mr. Hydro one. And Mr. RAT FINK was the fucking informant who bring the black RCMP police to Mr. Bennett. Now, we know how the story end up. Mr. Hydro one went to prison. You understand? Them take away all of the man assets. Them even went to Jamaica to try and confiscate assets where the man have dog. And just because Mr. Hydro one feels sorry for RAT FINK at the time, which was kind of suspicious because that boy a juice, he did the pan crack. He was a straight the boy turning a crackhead dog car. You understand? And them time the girl them a do enough coke. A blood clot Canada dog. Anyway, the crackhead girl them the dog. The girl them we a do crack. You know the little crack house them round at Horton Park, Susan Plaza. On the other side of Lawrence. All round there so. At there so, you always see that pussy. And that pussy hole there. You understand? They depend on drugs. You understand? And sell out Mr. Hydro one. And like I said, there is many people whether you touch them life in a fucking negative way. Because him have a certain way about him. Mother say him have charisma. You know some man that have charisma. Also that pussy a stay there. Him love chat too. You understand? And him get into Mr. Hydro one and then set up the man with the black RCMP. For those of you who don't know what a RCMP is, it's the Royal Canadian Mounted Police. And the RCMP is the equivalent of the FBI in America. So with the RCMP, they can go anywhere throughout Canada. Now, me I tell you something about the bottom feeder, the pussy. When he was working for the police, them, you understand, he was such a hard informant for control because he was doing crack and all sort of things. So he would be in and out of jail. And I guess after a while, him kind of fall off him game because now him start try set up other crackheads. You understand? And the RCMP them a big time federal police. Them no want a blood clot crackheads. So he tried to set up crackheads and was trying doing other things. And then the police them end up deporting him to Jamaica. So he tried to get a deal with them, and I think a deal was in the process. But this money was an unruly informant to rascal, a real terrible, notorious person, Even the RCMP them could not handle this guy, and then end up, I guess, scrap the blood clot deal and send his ass back to Jamaica, Now, look on that. Him sell out many people, in many cases, working for the RCMP and trying to strike a deal. And the police them couldn't even handle him. You understand? Them have to scrap the fucking deal and put the pussy there on a plane and send him back to Kingston, Jamaica. I see him on certain pictures, you understand, with certain people. Now, this is, I guess, the big time white guy, Bogdanovich, whatever. I see him on Juice in a picture. Now, I'm sending out a warning to everybody, including Mr. Bogdanovich. Please, when you see this guy running from round Uno, he is a very dangerous guy. Him may carry news in the teeth. Him is, or was, maybe still is, an informant. He was an informant for the RCMP. You understand? All of the men in the neighborhood who know him. You understand? Only if you push him out. He was a conductor on buses here on the 40 route, Walton Park Road and them thing there. You understand? In the early mid-2000. When you see from him picture, all him do is sit down and now blood clot do nothing. Yo, if you're in our area and him living in the area, may I talk to the gunman them and the bad man them, cause him love going like him bad. Or even regular people, we do them thing and them no want nobody to know. When the day around that brother and police are come check on all the time, so now I've gone on them thing there. Him, when if you push him out, him a big informer, enough people him take down. Him take down Mr. Hydro one. You understand? Me know that case the fear fact. You understand? Plus many more. I bet you when people see this video, them are gonna say, yeah, Juice, your pussy hole, yo. A long time you deserve this. Long run, short catch. How long you think you can blood clot, slip and slide like a fucking slime bag pussy? I'm gonna summarize it before me let go. This is Sean Peter Gay Peter Gale. That's his middle name, like a girl name. Pera is one of Canada's most notorious informant who destroyed many lives. In one such case was Project Hydra, where he took down an engineer. The engineer I think is from Jamaica, worked at Hydra, and this guy went and brought a RCM police to the man and take the man down. Now, this guy is in Jamaica. You see his pictures, you see his Facebook page. He's hanging out with people. He's doing all sorts of things, but people have to understand, anywhere this guy go, is straight destruction. You understand? So if you guys see this man, you understand, please push him out. Don't have him around you guys. Don't even have him around your kids. Because if I'm not lying, this guy's name was called in some rape thing. So be very careful. Now, once again, he was a busman in a half-head tree upon the bus conductor and possibly maybe on the 40 bus. Cause one time somebody seen him on a 40 bus down at Jamaica in a fight. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Help push out Juice Dog. The boy a big time blood clot bottom feeder informer. Pussy, we are come for you.